Whoever wants to be in the picture.
Don't be.
Everyone here wants to be in the picture.
Wait a
or
minute.
what?
Wait a minute. Let me think about this.
All right, we're all thinking about
Because
this.
this might get
Many hits.
Oh, are you already videotaping?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Let's take a look at the tree first.
Now, you don't
Before
want to
the
be
end
that side. You want to
of
have
the world.
I want to have a dark background, but the sun is coming from that direction, so I would like the sun to be there shining. Okay, hi. My name is Duen, and I found this sea urchin yesterday. It actually kind of died overnight in the refrigerator. I probably didn't need to put it in the refrigerator, but anyway, this was crawling around, and I picked it up. And I'm going to try to open it up and eat the inside. The inside is very delicious. It's a Japanese delicacy. It's called uni, and they're orange, and they're the gonads of this thing. So this is sort of like an egg that has a hard shell. And so I'm going to try to prepare this. Put it upside down in this bowl here, and I have 2 bowls of salt water over here, because this thing surrounding the orange thing is like a lot of black goop, so we don't really want to eat that part. So one way of doing this is to hold it like this, because these things are gonna, they're like splinters. You don't want to step on a sea urchin. And I'm going to try to dig this thing in there and cut it around and see how that works. Okay? And we'll see. I don't know how hard this thing is. Okay. Maybe I have to go like this. Ah! Oh, okay, I got it. Ah! Oh! So I'm cutting around the mouth, and then I'm going, oh, I forgot, I need a little, like, spoon to dig this stuff out, or chopsticks. I'll get them. Okay, chopsticks here. Let's see if this is edible, or if... So this is the mouth, the underside of the mouth from the inside of the thing, and this is the other side. Okay, and here, there's liquid. I'm going to pour it out and see. And the inside there, you can see, maybe you can barely see, is mostly covered with black stuff, but there's some orange stuff you see there. And we're going to try to scoop them out. Okay. So, this one is pretty, it's not like the Japanese one, so maybe they use very large sea urchins. This one is almost, look, I got one. Who wants this? Shall I eat it first? I'll just eat it out of the thing, and I'll tell you how it tastes, okay? Well, it's a little gritty. Yeah, I can taste it. Anyone? There's 6 pieces in here, so there's one for everybody. I'll try to take out another one. Let's see, let me take over. I was going to use these bowls to clean it, but I was able to get it. Hey, this one looks like it's bigger. Ooh. I can actually look at this one. There's a membrane. There's a black membrane around it. You would have to come from my point of view, actually, if you want to get it on the camera, maybe. It's kind of against the shell, actually, and I don't really know too much about this thing. Is kind of like watery, so I don't know. It doesn't taste rotten or anything. is well, maybe it's just that the black stuff is here. Here's another one. Anyone want to try it?
Rinse it.
Oh yeah.
Put in the next one. And leave it there. Put more. All the way.
Oh, okay. Put them all in here. Okay. I don't know what that is. That's black stuff. A lot of black goop in here. That's probably the doo-doo. So probably it's not that appetizing.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know how to clean it. This thing is kind of like falling apart. I mean, it should. This one, I thought it would be bigger, but I mean, it's kind of getting mushy inside here, so it's hard for me to dig it up. Maybe it's better to use a spoon. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay, this one, and then we take it out with the. Because when I was eating it, it was like crunchy because I was getting little spines too, parts of spines. Oh God. Lots of black, yucky stuff in here. Maybe I should. Yikes! Ooh, intestine. You know, it was alive yesterday, okay? And so I put it in the refrigerator. It's dead now, it seems. It's definitely dead, but... See, oh, something came out here. This is a piece of uni. And, you know, it has that flavor of the sea. This one looks kind of, you know...
Spoon.
I don't know if...
I think you have to do it on the same day. The fresher it is, this thing stays together.
Oh, yeah. So it already decomposes in 12 hours. I only got this 12 hours ago.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe try a spoon. But how about in the, you know, when you buy it in the trays in the Japanese supermarket? Those are huge. No, they're huge. And then you put it on this sushi. Okay, here's another one. Well, I see another one. I wonder if you can take it with the black membrane. No, I don't think so. Or everyone's lost kind of interest in this. I can't get it out. It's like turning to mush. I think that's it. Here, you can look at it. All scooped out. Yeah, we could actually put this on an ant mound and see what the shell looks like. Jeanette, did you want to look at the shell? You see maybe it's like the other one? It actually kind of looks like the other one. I think this is the common one that they make pretty lamps out of. So pick off the black stuff. These are awfully small, so I don't know. Maybe this particular sea urchin was starving. Okay, who wants to try it?
I don't want to try it.
Roxanne? Leonard? Nobody? Jason? Okay, it's for me. I'm going to eat the whole thing. Okay. This is actually just enough to make one sushi. I thought we were going to get a lot more, actually. So, but you can actually, if you want to make fusion or stuff, you can. I've heard that you can combine this with butter and cream, put it over spaghetti. Okay, I'm going to eat this one. Here. Good. Just, you know, it's not like in a Japanese restaurant where you eat a big clump of it. So you can just barely taste it. Well, we'll see if, I'll tell you later, or I'll write in the comments if I get the runs from this. Oh, here's a big piece. Look at this one. You want to look at it up close? Oh, I missed it. Okay. Oh, here maybe is the biggest piece. Here's the biggest piece. Okay. Tastes like uni. Very good. Well, I guess I'm the adventurous type. Okay, well, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.